Amazon fired 30,000 people last year, then quietly posted hundreds of new jobs in the same quarter. Microsoft cut 9,000, then hired many AI engineers back. IBM replaced thousands with AI, but their AI trainer positions tripled. Here's what nobody's telling you. AI isn't only ending jobs, it's creating a completely new labor market also. And if you're not preparing for these 5 roles, you're already behind. Today, AI learns mostly from humans. Tomorrow, it may learn directly from reality. But in both cases, it still needs grounding. AI doesn't magically know what's true. It builds models of what seems true. Without human input, intelligence doesn't explode, it drifts. This is why some jobs become more valuable as AI grows. Let's talk about 5 roles that aren't going anywhere. They will remain in high demand in the future, and some are already emerging as key positions. Number 5. AI ethics and safety specialists. Humans who prevent harmful, biased, or dangerous AI behavior. Every powerful technology needs guardians. Number 4. Domain experts. Yes, you heard correct, domain experts. Doctors, engineers, lawyers, scientists, researchers. Humans who generate new knowledge while AI summarizes and organizes existing knowledge. What's good and bad? AI still needs human teachers. Think of this. Every AI you use today, chatbots, image generators, video generators, relies on human-created content. Articles, blogs, news, forums, books. But now, people are starting to ask AI directly instead of visiting websites, reading news or books. That means less traffic, less money for content creators, and ultimately, less new material for AI to learn from. What happens if AI runs out of new data? What happens next? Here comes the twist. AI companies will once again need doctors, scientists, engineers, lawyers, and researchers to actively contribute knowledge. Maybe not in traditional ways, maybe not as bloggers or journalists, but as paid contributors, reviewers, trainers, and domain experts. The job formats will change. That wave is coming back, differently. Number 3. AI content directors. Not writers or designers, but directors who guide AI to create stories, visuals, videos, and experiences. Number 2. Human-in-the-loop trainers. People who train AI through feedback, labeling data, ranking answers, and teaching models. Number 1. AI quality controllers. Fact-checkers, AI auditors, misinformation analysts. People who verify AI outputs to make sure it doesn't lie.